trust me with this. There should be a reason kung bakit may tiwala sila sa akin. And I feel like I can deliver naman. So, yun lang.
What would you say, Albi, was your number one hesitation with Junjun?
Of course, yung scene dun sa rally, yung culmination nung kay Junjun. Kasi, di ba, syempre, ang daming emotions nang nararamdaman ni Junjun dun eh. It's the first time, again, seeing his family, tapos, he's excited, he's scared, he's, di ba, all of these things, and mapoportray ko ba yun? Makikita ba ng tao yun? Will they feel each and every emotion that nararamdaman ni Junjun at this point? So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Albi.
Thank you.
It's so nice seeing yung role ni Albi dito sa It's Okay to Not Be Okay after Ahia, di ba? Sa Can't Buy Me Love. Kaya thank you so much, Albi. Ngayon naman for Kao. Hello, Kauri.
Hi, Yana.
Diba? Okay, so Kao, ito yung question. May pressure ba na ang katapat mo sa serye na to is si Ann Curtis?
Ang laki naman ng word na katapat. Tapos Ate Ann pa, so big name. Yeah, may pressure. Sobrang laking pressure. Alam to ng lahat. Pero, anong pinanood ko yung series, parang nakita ko nga na may mga physikalan, ganyan. So parang ako, paano ko ba siya gagawin? Hindi naman ako ganun real life. Pero nung ginagawa namin siya, Ate Ann was very supportive. Sobrang feeling ko for me, sobrang laking impact ng pagka-supportive niya sa akin. Kasi kung wala yun, hindi ko siya magagawa. And of course, with the help ng buong team na to, tinulungan nila akong malagpasan yung comfort zone ko, which is yung mahiyain, yung hindi ko kayang gawin yun. And thankful po ako sa kanilang lahat dito. Yeah.
Anong masasabi mo, Kao, like parang ano na-discover mo sa sarili mo after being Gemma dito sa It's Okay to Not Be Okay?
After being Gemma, I think it's okay kahit hindi ka gusto ng ibang tao. It's okay kahit na iba ka sa gusto ng ibang tao. Parang hindi naman lahat ng tao cup of tea ka, and it's fine. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kao, and congratulations. Sabi ko kay Kao kanina, naiinis talaga ako kay Gemma. Siya yung pinaka-nakakainis na character for me, Charis lang. But of course, congratulations, Kao. You're doing so amazing. As in, naiinis ako kay Kao every night, Charis. But of course, ito naman for Bianx. Okay, Bianca, I think first time mo ma-pair with Luis. Tama. Okay, so ano ang feeling na you guys are paired up? And nagkaroon ba kayo ng ilang na feeling before working together?
It's such a pleasure to be able to work with Luis. I think it's my first time working with a child actor as my on-screen partner. And Luis is very professional. As in, I remember the first scene that we had together, parang after, parang naalala ko, natulala lang talaga ako. Sabi ko, totoo ba ito? Nakakapagbatuhan ako ng linya sa kanya because he's really good and, you know, I've been a fan of his work even before. So, up until now, sobrang grateful ako sa kanya at sa mga natututunan ko galing sa kanya during taping, habang nasa eksena kami, madami akong napipick up sa kanya. And even after, you know, during breaks from his whole experience growing up dito sa industriyang ito. Ang dami-dami ko rin natututunan. So, thank you, Luis. Thank you.
Thank you, Bianx.
Bianx, alam naman natin you're also very talented as an actress. Ano yung mga natutunan mo from Luis dito sa It's Okay?
Madami. I think one is to be really patient with, you know, your scenes. Yung role ko kasi dito, sobrang bigat. So, lahat ng eksena natin direct halos lahat iyakan. And I know that's not easy for Luis also kasi syempre kailangan niya akong saluhin. And even, you know, during the scenes, laging niya akong sinasalo. He always makes sure na before and after he's there. And he always reminds me to be patient with myself and my emotions. Ayan.
That. Thank you so much, Bianx, and thank you also to Luis for taking care of our Bianca. Diba? Okay, ito naman, Luis, this one is for you. Okay, so kamusta naman working with Bianca on your end? And meron ba kayong special memories from shooting?
Actually, working with Bianca, sobrang pressure daw. Kasi yung mga previous project ko, nung bata pa lang ako more on drama, and recently we're doing action. Pero never pa ako naka-experience ng, sabi nila, love team. Never ko pa siya na-try. And di ako marunong kung paano magpakilig, di ko kayang tumitig sa mata nang hindi natatawa, di ako nangingiti. So it's very hard for me. Pero nasasalo ako ni Bianca. Akala niya lang natutulungan ko siya, pero mas natutulungan niya ako most of the time. Kasi ang hirap magpakilig kaysa magpaiyak. Yun. So, a special moment with Bianca, mga lunch, kape namin with,
Kayo lang?
with tayo. Yung grupo namin nila Aljon. And every time kasi na may break kami, pupunta sila lahat sa hospital, sa OK Hospital kung saan kami nagsistay. So nag-video kami doon. Nag-swimming kami, nag-beach kami. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Luis. Grabe, may video ko pala sa OK Hospital. Sana all. Di ba? Thank you so much, Luis, and congratulations. Kaya naman, of course, it's for our one and only Madette, Cyril. Okay. Bentang-benta si Madette online and trendy yung mga scenes mo ni Enchong. Cyril, how do you feel na super as in bet ka ng audience?
Ano po, syempre natutuwa po, nahaliw po ako pag gumagawa sila ng Madettecore, yung mga mentality ni Madette. Na natutuwa ako kasi parang kahit yung simpleng nuance namin ni Kuya Chong na parang as Sai and Chong na nakukuha nila and napapasok nila as Boss Vincent and Madette. So nakakatuwa na nagigets nila yung dynamics namin ni Boss Vincent and nakakatuwa na from dark or heavy series na it's okay. Nakakapagdala kami ng light doon sa series, doon sa mga scenes. So kami yung comical side. So nakakatuwa na ganun yung pagtanggap nila and hindi namin in-expect ni Kuya Chong yun. Natakot pa namin baka cringe kami. Kasi nga masyado kaming alive, masyado kaming hyper. So like, okay naman kaya yun, gumaganon si Kuya Chong every after scene. Tingin mo ko yung ginawa natin. Ano kaya yun mamaya? Okay kaya yun? Gusto namin panoorin agad ganun. So thank you po kasi nawawala po yung worries namin nung process. So ngayon po parang na-overwhelm kami with love and appreciation. Thank you po.
Sila yung fresh part ng